Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on a Trading 212 card. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open the Trading 212 investing account. So create a free account on the Trading 212 platform to unlock access to this investment opportunity, as well as the card services. Now, this setup process is straightforward and it takes just a few minutes. Open up your Trading 212 app and tap on the card icon. Once you have completed your account creation, you'll be presented with two options. Now, the first option is a virtual card for immediate use. The second option is a physical card for everyday spending. And of course, you'll have the physical card mailed to you. So this will take a little bit more time. You can now select your preferred card type and complete the in-app order process. Your physical card will arrive within 10 business days. This should be using standard post. Some of the things that you need to understand about the card benefits, right? So there's zero fees. So you can spend in 176 currencies worldwide at true interbank exchange rates with no hidden markups or any foreign transaction fees. You get up to 1.5 cashback on everything that you've purchased with your card, and then you get free ATM withdrawals, so you can access cash without any fees of up to £400 per month at ATMs anywhere in the world. You also get a very competitive interest rate of 4.05, so this is for your uninvested money, and this will be cash sitting in your investment account. I hope this was helpful.